The topic of this video is why we make the activity codes in our plan. Activity codes are made in our plan to organize our project in a more better way. In this video tutorial, I will explain it to you how the activity codes are being made, used, and what is their importance. For example, I open my project. In my project, I have a number of the activities: excavations, rebar, formwork, concrete, waterproofing, polythenes. A lot of activities are there. Now if I want to organize my project in a way that so I can check them how much excavation works were planned up till now and how much has been done and how much was the total cost we have fixed for the excavation and how much we have achieved. Now I have excavation in many different WBS, under the WBS in many areas. I cannot check them one by one. I will organize my project in a way that I want to see them in one excavation head, other the concrete head, backfilling head, and the like that. Now I will do this in simple steps. I'll go to the enterprise activity codes. Now I have made these activity codes. I will make a new activity code here. I will add what is its name. For example, I give it's a code as 49 and its name is formwork fixing in superstructure. Now I have made this activity code formwork fixing in superstructure. Now in my project, a number of the activities will be there where we will fix the formwork fixing in the superstructure. Wherever this activity will be, I will assign this activity as this code 49, so I can organize them. Now like this, I have many other activity codes like demolition, excavation, anti-termite, backfilling, formwork fixing in superstructure, drainage fill, waterproofing. I have made all these activity codes to organize my project in a more better way. I close this. For example, I want to open the excavation. I'll go to the activity name, modify. Activity name contains excavation. I am using the command of the filter for this. Activity name contains the excavation. I will apply that. Now my project is showing these are the activities which are having the excavation in it in my project. Now I will add one column from here. From the activity codes, I will add SMC project, which is the name of my activity codes. I will make it as open outside. I will apply. Now it is open here. Now I will want to assign this excavation and this code is 22. I'll open this. I'll select this one and the last one here by pressing the shift. Now all my activities having the excavation are selected. I will right click, I will fill down. Now all the activities which are having the excavation are giving the activity codes 22. In the similar way, I have given the activity codes to all the activities. For the concrete, I give them another code. For the rebar, I give them another code, like that. Now I'll filter all activities. Now I have assigned activity codes to all my activities in the project. Now I want to see their organization. I will go to the view, group and sort. Now I want to organize by the name of my activity codes, that is named as SMC project. This is SMC project. I'll select, I'll apply. Okay, now all these activities are organized now by the activity codes. Now the excavation, if I see, now the excavation code is here. Until now, if I see, the total duration for the excavation was 1122 days and the 419 days are remaining, and we have planned this excavation in this date. Until now, how much was planned? 97. How much is the performance? How much was the total budget? Now with, if you see this anti-termite, backfilling, drainage fill, waterproofing, now the whole project is organized by the activity codes. Now it will become more easy for you to check how much was the cost you have planned for the excavation. For example, for the excavation you have planned the 24 million cost, and you can check how much you have achieved for the excavation. Now it is a very simple for you to analyze your project. This is the use of the activity codes. Thank you for watching this video.